is a game test. As you can see on the right hand side, the frame per second and the stats are all there. So the only thing, I mean, the movement is quite smooth. The wall is a bit of a, it's got 4K capability and stuff, but still, even then, I have to play on 1080p. I can see. Well, there you go. That's quite a victory. So the frame rate is really good on this. Now the movement again, it's still doing 60 frames per second, which is good. The movement is good, fluid, fast. That's good. It's a very fast-paced game. And a couple of games you could get caught. I've got that. Verdict is the graphics card works really well. Alright, now for the Fortnite. As you can see, the frame on the top right hand side, the FPS. Now I'm no expert on Fortnite. I must just trying out to see how the frame rate works, and I missed it. Oh, the movement is quite smooth. I must it's closing now. Oh yeah. Right, I think that's enough for now. As I said, the frame is looking good, it's steady, it's very well playable compared to my last graphics card that I tried out. Right. Thank you very much, and I'll end this demonstration. Hopefully you enjoyed.